Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the least squares moving average. But before we do, if you have not watched my first video and the videos after that, you need to go do that right now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team, and as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down in the description below. You can also find a link to our Discord server, so that way we can all discuss testing indicators and building our trading system. And lastly, you can find a link below to TradingView. If you sign up for a paid account, you will save a little bit of money using the link below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the least squares moving average. But before we do, wanted to put the indicator scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested 56 indicators. And out of those 56 indicators, 16 of them have been winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set for them. The best one so far was able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch that video to understand the context of how it was able to achieve that. But as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you can take any one of these 16 indicators and get out there and start profitably trading the markets with them now. So go back and watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us here as we work on maximizing your trading profits. Alright, as I said, today's indicator is the least squares indicator, the least squares moving average. And this is a continuation of the moving average head-to-head testing that we've been doing in the last couple of videos. So, you know the routine. The moving average is here, the yellow line. We are doing a price action break, which means that when the price action breaks above, that is a signal to go long. When it breaks down below, that is a signal to go short. And that is exactly how we will be testing this moving average today. Let's see, was that a break there? Nope, it was not. That was not within the year. Alright, let's see here. That is the first break there, and it does appear, yep, it did give us a win. Alright, so if you've watched the rest of the videos on the moving averages, we are testing them. Don't think that quite got it. We're testing them on the same pair on the same year. And we are trying to figure out which one is the best moving average. Let's see here. Got a loss. We got a loss. That, I believe, would have been a win. There. There to there. Yes, it would have been. That would have been a winner there. Alright, let's see. So, that came down. Then turned around and went right back up. Then right back down. And then right back up. Boy, this is looking all too familiar. Some of the moving averages that we have tested have been horrible over traders. And they just throw out way too many signals. And all of them have been losing indicators. Except for one. So far, one has met the 60% criteria. Let's keep moving on here and see what else we can get out of this moving average. We are about midway through the year now. It's not doing a horrible job, but it's not doing a great job either. And so, yeah, it's a little early to tell, like usual. Let's not make our assumptions and get our hopes up yet. So we will just have to wait and see until we calculate them up at the end, whether or not this one wins out. Alright, we are to the end of the year now. Actually overshot it by one there. Sorry, sometimes I get a little carried away in the back testing that I just keep going and going and going. I look down, I'm like, oh man, it's been over a year. Alright, so least squares. This is what it has given us. Let's count these out here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. It's given us 29 signals. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 winning trades out of 29. That does not get us near the 60% win-loss ratio that we are looking for. So, least squares moving average, unfortunately, it is not going on the list, and it does not beat out the top moving average now. So, alright, we will move on to the next couple moving averages that we have left in the next couple of videos. If you have not already, like this video, comment below, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. As part of the team, it's important that you are seeing the new videos as they come out so you know what it is that we are discussing and what indicators we are testing, have tested, and have not tested. Also, like usual, there is a link below in the description to the Discord server. You can join us on Discord so that way we can further discuss the indicators and have discussions as we move forward building our trading system. And lastly, like usual, there is a link below to TradingView. If you like what you see whenever I use TradingView and you are interested in signing up for TradingView, if you use the link below and sign up for a paid account, you will save a little bit of money. So, alright everybody, I will see you on the next video.